Hi, I'm Audrey. I'm Camilla, and today we're going to be making slime. So the materials you will be needing are
Glue, activator, bowls, and spoons.
we also have glitter, but that's optional, and today we're going to be using pink glitter, and we're going to show you guys step by step how to make slime.
So the first step is to add the glue to the bowl.
It's all my glue. So the second step is to add the activator. We are using borax with water, but you can use something else. I think that's good.
Now we're gonna mix it up.
I think I'm gonna start using my hands now. Wait a little bit more. You see? I think a little bit activator. Sorry. Right. I'm gonna go in with my hands. Okay, so this is how my slime turned out. Our slime. It's a little bit stretchy, but not too much.
So my slime got thrown out because it was a little bit chunky.
Mine was like not too stretchy like it is right now. It was worse than this, but because we added too much activator. So if you're making a slime, don't add too much activator. You're gonna over activate it, and it's gonna be very chunky and not stretchy. But if it's not too chunky, you can soak it in hot water and play with it, or just leave it in the hot water, take it out and just leave it there, and then come back and play with it, and it should work a little bit. So this is how it got fixed, my slime a little bit.
So now it's time to add the glitter.
So we're gonna add a little bit of glitter to our slime. It's not open. Oh, there we go. Oh. The key is open. Man, let's just use it like this. So I'm gonna add a little bit. That's good. So I added a little bit of glitter. Now I'm gonna mix it. Whoa. You can add glitter or food coloring, but it's your choice. Whoa. This is my slime. You can barely see. I like this glitter. It doesn't fall out and it doesn't stick to your hands that much. I have glitter on my pants. Alright, so this is how our slime turned out. It's very pink and glittery. Okay, so this is how our slime turned out. This is not a very good slime, but it's an okay slime. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to subscribe and leave a thumbs up. Bye.
Bye.